Oh my god. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Joe Ratchet. I am going to be reacting today to Lady Gaga's VMA performance of 2020, Chromatica. Here we go. Oh my god, live from Chromatica. Alright. Oh my gosh, yes, Chromatica #1. I love this set. Oh my gosh. Ooh, she's already a stripper hoe. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Yes, 911 bitches. Turn in. Oh my god, she has a mask on? I love the bondage and like the straps and everything. Yo, thank you for all wearing masks. 3, 2, 1, hit it. My biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. Yes. My biggest enemy is me ever since day one. Yes. Oh my gosh. Rain on me, baby. Oh, yes. How did she change outfits? I only asked you to show me a real good time. You showed me nothing at all. She is on her cover. I'm ready, rain on me. Oh wow, I feel like I haven't seen a live performance this big in a long time. Rain on me. Choreo and everything. Gaga's back. Yes, Ari. Oh, but at least we check. Ah, I miss them. I miss watching live performances. I miss going out. The talent on my skin, teardrops on my face, wash away my sins. Let it wash away. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Wow, they brought us to Chromatica. Whoa. At least I'm alive. Rain on me. Yes, Ari, hit that note. Rain on me. Ooh, this is Gaga's rapping part. Rain on me, tsunami. I'm about to fly. Rain on me. Yes. Ooh, she hit that high note. It looked like Lady Gaga was trying to talk to her, but she couldn't because her mask. Yay! She had to clip. Ari had to clip her mask back on. What's next? She has to do Stupid Love. Ooh, outfit change. I love the good bodysuit. This is a bodysuit done good. Oh gosh, she looks great. She's now. Ooh, she's on a piano. But she on the brain. What is she about to perform? What is she about to perform? Oh. I think she's gonna do a slow-mo version of Stupid Love. Yup. Can I keep this right? I love it when she does slow piano songs. Like when she does Speechless. Okay, vocals. Get down. Look at me. Hit that whistle tone, baby. Hell yeah, I want your love. I want it all day, every day. Where is this? Where is... Oh, this is VMAs. Mask up. Let's go. Stupid. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I love it. I love the lights. Time to... Oh, even the Chromatica logo on the bottom. Honestly, the Chromatica theme fit perfectly with the mask. Thank God. So the performance can have people. Look at me. But I'm sure this performance wouldn't be the same if it were not COVID. It would be totally different. All I ever wanted was love. Ready, everyone? Hit this shit. I want your stupid love, love, love. I want your stupid love. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. I like her hair too, though. Let's go, Gaga! Alright guys, that is my reaction to Lady Gaga's VMA 2020 performance. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Ooh, she's already a stripper hoe! Oh my god!